It's only 7:34, but I got to get to bed because I got to get up. I'll be at work at 4 in the morning, so I'm a little hungry. But my daughter put me to work today and did not cook me any eggs. But I had to transport chickens, and I did not get no eggs. My little grandson, he went in there, told his mother, cook Papa some eggs. She didn't do it. So here I am. It's probably some of the most work I've done. Because my daughter been doing everything. I just supplied the money. So I got to move chickens. Almost dropped one. So I'm becoming a better chicken handler. Yep. Enjoy.
You'll open the small door and put her in there.
You videoing it?
Yeah.
I'm forced to work today. Yeah, send me that. Ready?
She's not calm one.
He's choking the chicken.
Chickens ain't gonna lay no more eggs.
They haven't started laying yet. Make sure you hold her tight.
Wait a minute.
She's the skittish one.
Dad, make a brush in now.
Open that door for Papa, yep.
Her and the first white one that you put in there, those were the ones that hatched out here by themselves.
Oh yeah.
Chicken, 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 chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
He hasn't done
I'll
it.
try to make the chicken fall asleep.
Oh, you gotta catch it now.
Sing to it. Say it, la la la,
See, I gotta make sure the head's tight.
la la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La la la, la la la. Nighty night chicken, nighty night chicken.
You gotta hold it until he wakes up.
How long will it take? How long will it fall asleep? Wow.
Looks like he's swimming through me.
I thought I was got away.
Power nap, dude.